this is Marissa from ArcMate Manufacturing Corporation, and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be going over the Easy Reacher Pro Plus Reacher Grabber tool. This tool is sold from a variety of our online retailers, as well as on our website directly at arcmate.shop. In today's video, we're going to go over the various different features on instructions how to use your tool and any other information that may apply to your Easy Reacher Pro Plus. Starting at the handle of this tool, we have a blue ergonomic grip that is comfortable for both smaller and larger hands. We also have this locking feature that is very easy to do. I'll show you right now. All you have to do is squeeze the trigger on your tool and press down with your thumb. Now it is completely locked, and whatever you have in between your cups is safe and secure. To undo it, all you have to do is squeeze the trigger again, and it'll unlock the tool for you. Another neat feature is that this head actually rotates in order to change the placement of the cups. I'll show you right now. As you can see, the cups or the end of the tool is perpendicular to the handle of the tool. We can change that by grabbing the shaft with one hand and the handle with the other, pull outwards, rotate 90 degrees, and then lock it back into place. Make sure you hear a snap, otherwise the cups won't work very well. But now, as you can see, the cups are now parallel to the tool. And you can squeeze to make sure they work. Let's do that one more time. Grab the handle and the shaft, pull apart, rotate 90, listen to the click, and you are good to go. Now there are two types of cups that come with this tool. You may get either blue or black cups depending on where you purchase your tool. They are interchangeable and they are replaceable. You can purchase replacement cups on our website at arcmate.shop or at other various online retailers. These blue cups are made of a food-grade silicone. They are heat resistant up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. They are meant to not scratch or scuff your walls inside your home, and they are intended for indoor use only. Using these outside, you may have some cups falling off or they may deteriorate quicker than expected. The other style of cups that we have on our tool is our black rubber cups. Now this is an entirely different tool, but I'm just showing you a reference of what the black rubber cups look like. These are made of EPDM rubber, which is the same rubber that is made from car tires. They are UV stable and built to last a very long time. They should definitely last you for outside use. One thing to note is they are not heat resistant up to 500 degrees like the silicone cups. They are not food safe, and they may cause some scratches or scuffs on your walls if you're not careful. We actually have a video on our YouTube channel about how to replace the cups on your Easy Reacher if you need a guide. The Easy Reacher Pro Plus is covered under ArcMate's limited lifetime warranty. To learn more about this, go to arcmate.com/warranty. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful in helping you understand a little bit more about your Easy Reacher Pro Plus. If you have any questions, let us know either in the comments below or reach out to us via our website, www.arcmate.com. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.